I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing what you have and why you want an extra piece. First, inspect the wrapper to count pieces and note the weight and percent cocoa so you can argue fairness. Once done, decide if splitting into 1/2 or 1/3 portions makes sense, and prepare a clean knife and plate to cut precisely. Make sure to label or set aside the intended extra piece to avoid confusion. This small prep prevents disputes and preserves texture and presentation. You now negotiate calmly and execute precise portioning. Start by offering a simple trade or a small favor. This creates reciprocity and increases your chance of getting an extra piece. Then cut along molds or score the chocolate to make even 0. 5 to 1 piece increments, because neat cuts are harder to argue against. Make sure to show comparisons or use a kitchen scale if required. People accept visible fairness, and clarity avoids resentment once everyone sees the split. You finish by delivering the extra piece with confidence and a friendly tone. Hand it over while explaining the fair split and the trade that earned it, because framing matters. If someone contests, offer an alternative like a dessert swap or promise a delayed extra to de-escalate. This keeps relationships intact. Finally, make sure the chocolate stays cool and rewrap any leftovers to preserve texture and prevent crumbs, which solves most follow-up issues and keeps everyone satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.